up, YouTube? Welcome to Travel Adventures with Eric B. And today we're going to be looking at the Aliz Hotel in Times Square in New York, New York. As you can tell, I've already been in this room before. The room is not very big, as you can tell, so we're going to look at the restaurant as well as the rooftop bar as well. This cool little lamp right here. I like the style of this room. It's really stylish. Like I said, it's not very big, but I do like the style. It's a nice, comfortable bed as well. The bed I really like. Let's see what we have here in this cabinet. Yeah, I like the material right there. That's really cool too. Like I said, it's a really stylish room. There's a good bit of room right there. You can put a lot of clothes right there. You got your coffee maker right there. There's a little bit of your coffees you can throw in there and make. Your ice bucket right there as well, which is something we have standardly here in the U.S. They don't have too much in Europe. There goes some plugs. There's a lot of plugs, which is pretty awesome. On the TV, they were just showing the little deal with the rooftop bar, which we're gonna check out a little bit later. A nice, comfortable chair right there. I'm not gonna dare take any of that water. I'm sure they'll charge you if you do. Even though I am a gold member, I get two free waters, but I picked up my two free waters, so those waters aren't mine. Those are for charge. Um, like I said, it's not a very big room, as you can tell. Let's see what our view looks like. Our view is not bad right here. It's a pretty decent view of the skyline. Like I said, it's in Times Square, so it's within walking distance from Times Square, which is pretty awesome. You want to be close to all of the action. This hotel runs about 140, 150 bucks a night. I got this hotel mainly because it was a deal with American Airlines, and I got 6,000 points for booking this for one night, which is fine with me. I like the little countertops. They're cool. Bathrooms, nice, clean, nice style. I like the way the shower, the two heads right there. It's like I said, it's small, but it's nice. I like it. Um, but like I say, I booked it mainly because of the deal with American Airlines. You had a little higher hair dryer in here, which I don't have enough hair for anyway. But I had the little deal with American Airlines, 6,000 points for booking it, so it worked out perfect for me. 6,000 points is what it took me to fly back home. So it was nice to bank that 6,000 points. You want to order room service in the restaurant or something. You got your little tray holder. There's a safe right there. I know a lot of people like having a safe in their room. So you like having a safe, there you go. But all in all, nice room, just not a whole lot of space. Okay, so now we're going to elevator to Dear Irvin, and Dear Irvin is the rooftop bar, and we're going to go all the way up to the top. Now, I will say this. I really like Dear Irvin. It's a really nice environment. It's really cool, but this is somewhere you want to go with a group of people, friends, or if you're in a relationship, there goes your menu right there on your phone. You tap the QR code, or if you have a romantic other. I mean, if it's just you and you're solo, like if you're on business or you're just me, just hanging out solo, it's not quite as fun because this is just that perfect type of environment with the low light and everything. You really want to be able to share this type of environment with someone else. But I mean, it's a really cool view. I mean, you gotta love this view at night. I wish the windows wasn't there, but yeah, the view is fantastic, especially at night, right out on the city, and you're in Midtown. Well, you're in Times Square. And there goes the bar right there. So yeah, you got a few people in here. Not too busy, but you got a nice bar, low lights. I really dig it. But like I said though, for one person just hanging out on a solo trip, not quite as special I think as would be if you were with a group of people or you were with a significant other. But hey, I tried this drink here. It was really good. I have no idea what it was, to be honest with you. I just said, just make me something good and, something popular. So I think it cost like about 16 bucks. So sat down here, enjoyed the view, a drink, 16 buck drink. It was good. Wasn't good enough to go get a second one and pay 30 something bucks. Wasn't that serious. But yeah, I'm digging this. Like I said, I recommend this, and this is somewhere you can come to, even if you're not staying at the hotel. All you gotta do is just come upstairs and and come check it out. It's called Dear Irvin, and I've seen this on a lot of the lists for best rooftop bars in New York. So it's one of these things you can come check it out even if you're not staying in the hotel. You can get reservations and come up. So we're gonna go back downstairs for the night, and we're gonna get up, go to the restaurant, and have breakfast. So here we are, breakfast time.
So it's breakfast time. Obviously, you've got to scan the QR code here on the table to get the menu. You see the chip sitting there to the left. The chip they give you when you check in, and you can use it for a $15 off of breakfast or lunch, depending on which one you choose. I chose breakfast, obviously, and the $15 covered it, so I didn't have to pay anything above the $15. So that worked out well. I would have loved to be able to try it for lunch or dinner, but hey, there goes my plate. It was excellent. The eggs were great. The biscuits were great. That's all, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, I ask that you please hit the like, please hit the subscribe button, please hit the bell notification if you want to know when I have more material coming out in the future. Help us to continue to grow as a travel community. And as always, remember, live today, grow today. Tomorrow's never guaranteed. Peace.